thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. And welcome back to my channel. I thought it's time I put a DIY on my channel. So today I'm gonna do a DIY especially for you guys. So a lot of you have been asking me how I get so many guys to like me and so many guys to comment on my videos. So I thought I'll do a how to get a guy to like your DIY. So before further ado, let's get into the video. So we all know that guys are always attracted to inner beauty. They do not have anything to do with how a girl looks or how a girl dresses or how a girl behaves in public. We all know that it's the inner beauty that matters to them, and we all also know that that is a lie. It's a joke, guys. Stop it. So I think makeup really helps. So I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup. Like for example, right now my face is naked. I'm not wearing any makeup. I woke up like this. Yeah. So we're gonna do our makeup and then we're gonna work our way towards inner beauty. So as you guys can see, my makeup is done and I really love the color of this lipstick and it smells divine. And if you guys want to know what lipstick this is, it's by the brand I Don't Give a Shit and the code is Nobody Knows. I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out. Number 2 is recall. Now you should know that guys love attention and they want you to call them all the time and again, and that is why it is called recall. Now, you don't want the guy to feel like you're very needy. So I would say the proportion in which you should call them should be around 70 to 90 times a day, because after that you just scream needy. Make them feel like you need them, make them feel like they're the only thing in your life, make them feel like you are their responsibility. He needs to know that you are with him every minute, every second of his life. Aw, so romantic. Number 3 is commitment. Now we all know that guys are huge fans of commitment, and I think it's very important for us to also show them that we are as committed to them as they are. So here are a few ways in which you could showcase your level of commitment to the guy, and it has to convince him in falling in love, head over heels in love with you, might I say. Number 1 is my personal favorite. Visit his parents' house every day, and if he stays with his parents, even better, because then you'll get to see him every day. And I would prefer going early in the morning when nobody's up, so that way there's always a surprise element, and you can always surprise them like that. They'll love it. Number 2 is call all his ex-girlfriends and tell them that you're married. See, now when it comes to commitment, why not go all the way? And this is something that I personally do, so I can tell you that it works every time. So go for it, girls. Number 3 is something which a lot of you guys might think is creepy, but I think it's one of the most effective ways of showing commitment is by naming your children. Now, it's possible that you have met this guy only a couple of times before, and it's also possible that you don't even know what each other's second names are, but the second names of the children can always be decided later. It's the first names that take the most time. So I would say that if you want to show commitment, why not just name all the children that you want to have with him. And now finally, number 4 is so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. You have to call him sweet names, which I love doing. Now I think honey, sweetie, darling, sweetheart, lover, all of these names are like really passe, and they don't show commitment, because you can call that to anybody, but there are some names that you cannot call everybody, you know what I mean? So I would suggest, if you want to show commitment, you call him hubby or hubs, hubba baba, Janu, husbands, AG, OG, whichever suits you. And also one of my favorites is let me just put a secret out there. I wasn't really gonna put this in the video because I don't want to put all of my personal life out there for everybody, but I really like calling him Aho. Not the Punjabi Aho, but the Marathi Aho, it's really cute. I love it how he just frowns like Number 4, and a very important aspect which is growing, is social media. I think social media is a huge part of all of our lives, and we should take advantage of it. Like people like me especially, we need to validate ourselves on social media, like everything from my eyelashes to my lip color. And have you seen my nail paint, by the way? It's this amazing shade that I got from this brand. I don't know, there's this brand called Maybelline, but I think it's a rip-off of a brand which I personally like. The brand I like is called May Not Be Lean, and they have amazing collection. So if you know, just stay away from imposters is what I'm saying. What was it? Oh yeah, social media. So when you're in doubt, a really cheesy picture with novelishly long captions always work. And now number 5, and the final one, which I think is most important in a healthy relationship, is transparency. Now see, this is a proverb that I'm going to patent to my name, that transparency is the ribcage of every relationship. Because you know how the ribcage is always protecting your liver and intestines and everything important. Apparently that is why it's there in your body. That is how transparency protects your relationship. Now it is very important that he knows everything about you and you know everything about him. Now you knowing everything about him will not be a problem, because why do you have those 13 detectives running behind him otherwise, right? You don't want the money to go down the drain. But it's very important that he knows about you too, so every little detail from everything needs to be shared with him. Every time I see him or I meet him, I make sure I tell him exactly each and every brand and each and every code of makeup and apparel and accessories that I'm wearing, because you need to know me. And if I am telling a guy that each and everything that I have on my face is really by a cheap Indian brand, but I like to say it's Benefit and MAC, then I need you to know that I am really committed to the guy, and I think that really helps my cause. Okay you guys, so that was all for today's DIY. If you guys recreate this DIY at home, do click a picture of your guy and send it to me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. All my social media links are going to be in the description below. I would love to see all the things that you guys create. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos every Tuesday and every Thursday. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, because why not? Oh, also I forgot such an important thing. On my channel, this is my 100th video. So I hope you guys have liked all the 100 times I completely embarrassed myself on the internet because I'm so clumsy. But I will see you again soon, okay? And until we meet again, love. Cut. मैंने बोला था बार करने के लिए, आप सुनते क्यों नहीं हैं? पूरे चेहरे पे मैं टपक रहा हूँ, सब कुछ पूरा मेकअप मेल्ट हो रहा है.